The last time I talked to you, oh my, so many people have reached out. Some have come to visit you.
Yes,
It's so nice seeing you. Oh my gosh.
today I'm a birthday.
Really?
Yes,
Today's a happy birthday to you.
thank
Miss
you.
Gaudi, you know that I did not forget it's a birthday when you spoke to me.
Oh gosh.
I remember in the interview you said today's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Gaudi.